destroy it.
I don't give a I don't give a
Hi, this is DJ Mash.
Hi, this is DJ Skip, and we just finished a workshop in the music school in Bangalore.
Well, it was an amazing session with lots of students and lots of questions, and we certainly had an interactive session now.
Yeah, I had a great time demoing this beauty called the XP1. So this is how the controller looks like. We have 16 pads, and you can use that as a sampler, you can use it as hot cues, you have some pad effects, and always use it for beat jumping.
And definitely an eye catcher, because each pad is lit with different LEDs. You can color code the pads. Some amazing features like keyboard,
tunes, which is on the same scale, and key sync, blah blah blah. There's a lot of stuff in it.
Yeah, for finger drumming, it's an amazing machine. And not just that, you can load up a hot cue and just pitch shift it over one octave up and down and get some amazing tones out of it. Do your own finger drumming, create your own loops, create your own drums, capture anything that is possible on the laptop. On Recordbox DJ, this machine will do it for you on a hardware.
And we are already fighting who wants it first. This is
thinking.
the only piece in India. Initially it was just a Serato mixer, but now I think the best setup would be to have an S9, combine it with this controller, and you're sorted.
And I can't wait to get my hands more on it, especially for finger drumming and creating tones, using the pad effects, some amazing pad effects. Before we were restricted to some
8 pads.
8 pads. Now it's I think 16 pads per channel and 2 pages of pad effects. So it's 32 pad effects per deck.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. Yeah. I'm a turntablist. I'm going to use it for my routines and stuff.
Yeah,
and
especially for Recordbox DJ and DVS. This is an add-on controller, and it makes the life much more easier. On the 2 decks, you do your set, and you can use this to create some additional sounds, additional loops.
So I would like to thank Music School for having us.
Big ups to Music School, and we hope to conduct more workshops here. Can't wait to be back again. Peace.
And they go like. Doing it again.
Going out to the hardcore hip hop. Of course, we don't flip flop.
Return to the classic.